The multi-line text function has been optimized to be more practical and comprehensive, helping users improve their efficiency. Double-click text objects and the Text Editor tab will appear on the ribbon. Here you can set styles, paragraph layouts, etc. Superscripts and subscripts are supported in the font settings. 2 alignment methods are added, including justify and distribute. Numbering is supported to realize automatic text numbering in various forms. This saves a big amount of time in numbering texts. With the columns function, users can set column type, width, etc. This improves text readability and brings a more comfortable visual experience. Spelling check is optimized and automatic spelling check is supported, which improves the efficiency and accuracy of spell checking. Additionally, you can customize the dictionary to avoid spelling errors of specific words. Interested in the enhanced multi-line text function? Download ZWCAD 2024 to try it now.